Hey everyone, welcome back to Idea Empire, the place where business ideas and real-world hustle come together. If you've ever thought about making money from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right spot. Now, I know the internet is full of recycled side hustle tips, but stick around, because today I'm sharing 7 creative and often overlooked ways you can actually start earning from home. And trust me, number 1 is the real gem. So make sure to stick around till the very end. Let's start. Number 7. Virtual assistant for creatives. A lot of photographers, writers, and small influencers are drowning in emails and scheduling. You don't need to be super technical, just organized and reliable. You can start by offering services on freelance sites or just DM someone you follow. Number 6. Remote product tester. You can actually get paid to test out new apps, websites, and digital tools. There are platforms online that match everyday users with companies looking for feedback. It's an easy way to earn some extra cash, with flexible hours and minimal setup needed. Number 5. Digital product templates. Digital products like templates, budget trackers, and printable planners are hot sellers online. You create them once, and they can keep generating sales long after. It's a simple form of passive income that actually works and doesn't feel sketchy. Number 4. Personalized gift boxes. If you enjoy assembling fun or useful items, this can be a great side hustle. Begin with small themed boxes like birthday bundles, care kits, or pet packages. Promote them on social media and offer local delivery to make it feel more personal and special. Number 3. Local digital services. Most small businesses in your town likely have outdated websites or little to no online presence. Offer to help, not with expensive, complicated services, just with simple improvements like better photos, clearer descriptions, or setting up a basic social media page. It doesn't take much, but it can make a big difference. If you like the idea of working with small businesses, especially local ones, I explored that topic more in my video, How to Start Your Own Small Business Today from Home. It walks you through how to turn that idea into a full business model. Give it a watch after this. Number 2. Online course bundles. If you're good at something, cooking, parenting hacks, design, anything, create short video lessons and sell them as a bundle. You don't have to be a pro teacher. People are just looking for real advice from real people. Number 1. Voiceover work for small creators. You don't need a fancy setup to get started with voice work. Just a quiet space and a good microphone. You can lend your voice to things like videos, audiobooks, ads, or podcasts. There are plenty of online platforms where you can find gigs and build your portfolio. All right, those are 7 creative ways to start making money from home. No hype, just real stuff that works. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with which idea you're going to try first. And don't forget, building something from home doesn't mean doing it alone. You can always hire a team. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.